Hi, I'm Michelle Forgette, a Senior Geologist at Seequent based in Perth, Western Australia. In this video, I'll walk you through a new tool in Leapfrog 2026.1 called Estimation Datasets. You now have more control and organization for parameters applied to data used in your estimation. After you've created your preparation datasets, you can then use and create these estimation datasets with the declustering and capped variables. You can then review the statistics on how these variables affect your overall data input. And finally, you can apply them to your domain estimators and continue your estimation workflow. Let's take a look at how this works in practice. Here, you'll see me create an estimation dataset, review the statistics, and then apply it to your domain estimator. To summarize, estimation datasets makes it easier to control in one place the parameters applied to the drilling used in your estimation. Parameters such as compositing, declustering, and capping. You have a variety of statistical analysis in the forms of tables and graphs to make the best decision for your deposit. Remember too, the updates you make to these estimation datasets will flow through into any domain estimators you have dynamically linked. Overall, making it quick and efficient to update the datasets used in your estimation. Try it out with the latest release of Leapfrog and let us know how it helps your workflow. For more details, visit my Seequent or reach out to your support team. Thanks for watching.